Hey girls, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a BoxyCharm unboxing, and I have already opened this because I couldn't wait to see it. So this is what the box looks like, and each month it's $21, and this is a beauty subscription box. You get 4 to 5 full-size items, and sometimes you get more. The first thing in here is this card, and it shows you inside. Well, this one is actually new, but this shows you the theme for each month, and this month's theme for April is eye candy. Then you open it up and it shows you the products, and it tells you how to use them, and it shows you, well, it tells you what each product retails for. And then on the back is just this little coupon, and before it was just like a front and back symbol card, but I guess they switched it up. The first thing in here is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More vacuum cleaner, and this retails for $47. I've used this twice and I haven't really seen like a huge difference in my face. I've used it right here where I have pores on my forehead, on my nose, and it feels really good. It feels like your skin is getting really tightened, and it has like this minty feeling to it, like refreshing. I've heard a lot of people say they love this stuff. Well, I can't really tell you guys if I love it or not, because like I've said, I haven't seen a difference, and I've only used it twice for me to know like if it's doing anything to my skin. The next thing I have is, and I love this one, so I used it yesterday, and also I'm using it, well, I'm wearing it right now, but it kind of worn off, but it's really nice. Let me just swatch it for you guys, and it's like really nice. I don't know, I love it. And it doesn't say the shade on here on this, or it didn't say it on the box packaging, but I did go online, and I think this shade is Hot Cocoa. That one retails for $24. So $24. So you're already getting like your money's worth of stuff right there. And by the way, it's not a matte finish, it's a high definition liquid lipstick. So it's basically like if you put a matte lipstick and then you topped it off with clear gloss. That's basically how it looks, and it's like really comfortable on the lip too. The next thing, and this is one of the reasons that I purchased this box, it's this Tarte's Pro Glow liquid highlighter, and it looks like this. And this one is worth $29. Me personally, I'm not like a huge liquid highlighter fan. I rather just use the regular ones. And I think this shade is a little dark for me. This is a shade Sparkler. Let me swatch this. I haven't worn this on my face yet, but I think with a little bit I should be good. Like, doesn't it look like a little dark? I don't know. I took this quiz on there, so you take this quiz, and that's how they find out what's your skin tone, your hair color, and all that stuff. So when they send you their box, that they could kind of, you know, customize it for you, personalize it, and make sure they send you things that are gonna fit your skin color and stuff like that. The next thing in here is the Brow Gal tinted brow gel with microfibers, and this is a shade Brown Hair 02. I don't know if this fits me. That's what it looks like. It should fit me because I did take the quiz, so they know that my hair is like dark brown or whatever. And I've never used any products from the Brow Gal, but I've heard people say they're pretty good. And this is what the little wand looks like. It's like so tiny. I'm just trying to see if it's my shade. It looks a little, I don't know, it matches my brows, but it doesn't match my hair. Whatever. That one retails for $22. I want to show you guys how this looks. The Tarte's thing I showed you guys, the liquid highlight, people either got that, and that's what I wanted the highlight. People either got that, or they got not all three, but one of the 3 shades from this MAC lipstick. The last thing in here that I got, And this is another one of the reasons that I got this month's box. So I got this You Had Me at Hello Color Pop Shadow Palette, and I'm like so in love with this packaging, and it feels like so soft. I wouldn't know how to explain it. It looks like kind of like rubbery right here. In the back of the box it tells you the shades, which is really nice. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this box. This is one thing that I'm like super bummed out about. So it looks just like the box packaging that I showed you guys, and I love that all the shades are in the back so I can know what shades I'm using, because I hate palettes that don't say it. Then look at my palette. I'm like so mad because I was waiting. I was so anxious to see what palette I was gonna get because everyone did get different palettes. And then my palette arrived and I was so happy until I opened it. But I already contacted BoxyCharm. They haven't responded and it's been like 2 or 3 days. And I'm just praying that they respond soon, because how am I gonna use this? I mean, I could like probably repair it with alcohol, but if I paid money for this, like I want my palette like good, you know. I don't want a broken palette, and it's like getting on all the other pans. So, and I'm happy though, because with BoxyCharm they should be able to replace my palette. But I'm super happy though, because I did want this one. I was praying that I didn't get Golden State of Mind, because that one is like all shimmery shades and I wanted like more matte shades. That palette retails for $18. Yep, $18. So let me just swatch this palette for you guys, even though I shouldn't because it's already messed up. Let me swatch the first 3 shades. I don't even know if they're gonna show up. Oh, you could barely see them. I don't know. Those are the first 3 shades. Then here's another one of the shades. My swatches suck. Let me swatch this purplish shade that's like hella nice. There. It looks so chalky because like my swatches, they suck. But they're actually like really nice. And the one that's broken is like so pretty. So they're like plumish brownish shade. My lighting kind of changed because it's almost, the sun is almost about to set, so yeah, I kind of look dark now. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna link the BoxyCharm link down below, so make sure to go check it out. And it's like really good, and I am disappointed in that because I also saw that a lot of people also got broken palettes. But I hope they could replace it. They should be able to replace it, but there's like a bunch of people emailing them, so I understand that they can get to me quick because there's more people. So I'm gonna just be patient. I'm gonna have a makeup swap soon, probably 1 or 2 weeks. I'll be recording a video for you guys. Me and 3 of my girls, we decided to swap makeup items, so we should be shipping each other's items out sometime next week. And I'm not gonna record until we all have our boxes, and I'm like super excited. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, anything. And thank you guys so much for watching.